it's not always good to use a terminal to control the robot inside ROS2. So that's why we are going to create an application on the SSH where we will control the robot inside the gazebo simulator. The same thing can be used on the real robot hardware as well. So let's get into it. First of all, you have to install the necessary packages which are important to control the robot using the browsers. So just install the packages. These are the 2 packages which are necessary. You can just get these commands and install them. If you are using another ROS2 distribution, then just change the name there. Let's say if you are using Jazzy, then instead of Humble, just write Jazzy there. Likewise, the very first thing is done. Then you have to create a package. We already know how to create a package, right? So let's say if we have to create a package, open your terminal, okay, get inside your workspace. I will quickly show you guys. Go inside cd src. Inside src we create package, right? So the command is ROS2 pkg create, then the name of the package, let's say web underscore interface, then build type amend underscore cmake. So it is going to be a cmake package, and likewise we can give the command. We have already created a package, so I will just take you inside the VS Code and show the files inside it so that we are able to understand what is really happening. Let's open VS Code, and then here is the package that we have inside the mobile underscore robot workspace inside the src folder. In that particular folder we have this package which is mobile underscore teleop package. As discussed previously, this package is responsible for control the robot using the web browser. Okay, that's the simple thing. We have installed the necessary packages. Now after creating the package, you have to do 2 things. First of all, create a launch folder, then create a web folder. Okay, we will go one by one. Inside the launch folder, we have to create a launch file where we are bridging the server, okay, so that we can get the interface on the web and we can control it. But to get the interface, we have to write it, right? For that reason, we have created one HTML file inside the web folder. Remember, these 2 folders should be separate. It's good to sort the things. So this is the HTML file. The important point to remember is this particular IP address that we are using. The IP address that you are using, make sure that the mobile is connected to the same internet connection of your laptop. Okay, whichever connection that you are using, the mobile should also be connected to the same Wi-Fi. So likewise we will create the HTML file. And what is this file doing? This file is communicating on the CMD well topic where we can exchange the velocities, and using a joystick we are able to control the robot's motion inside gazebo. And that is really great because it's a kind of simple application where we can use it. Later on we can take this further and create a kind of app where we can just install in our mobile phone and then control the robot. That is also possible, but this is just a simple use case. Then make the necessary changes inside cmakelists.txt, as we all know about it. Fine, these things are done. Then go on the terminal. Okay, and the first thing is to do colcon build. Okay, after doing the things, go inside the workspace and do colcon build. After doing colcon build, source the workspace, source install setup.bash, right? And then run the launch file. It's ROS2 launch. What is the name of the package? It's mobile underscore teleop, and the launch file in it is, I have to recall it, it's okay, web underscore joystick.launch.py. Just keep it running. Okay, it says ROS bridge WebSocket is started. Okay, so the bridge is started. We have to just connect it to our mobile phone, but we should know the IP address. On your terminal, type the host name space -i. This command is used to get the IP address. Here I have this IP address. I will just copy it, and the HTML file that we have inside VS Code, go to that particular folder which was web folder, go to the HTML file and then replace the IP address that you have, okay, with your IP address. After adding this IP address, open your terminal and then run this particular command, python 3 http server. It will make the HTML file in working, okay, it will host on the browser, and then we can search it using a link. Perfect, we know the IP address. After this we have to launch our gazebo environment, and then we have to communicate with the CMD topic. That's important. Open your terminal. Let's go inside the mobile robot workspace, source it. Sorry, yeah, ROS2, launch. The name of the package is Square Robot. Then it was my robot launch.py, use underscore sim underscore time equal to true, because Revolutionize, that's the only thing. So we have our robot inside ROS2. I will change the fixed frame to ODOM. Let's keep the robot here. Zoom out a little bit. Okay, let the gazebo environment be likewise. Okay, robot is really small but still, okay, see. Now it's time to control the robot using our UI. Okay, so yeah, get your mobile phone and then I will type the link for that. Okay, so here is the link that I have used. You have to just replace your IP address and go for it. Make sure that your internet connection is same, your mobile phone is also on the same network where your laptop is also connected. That's highly important. Here we have the interface. Joystick is here. I will use the joystick. Let's say if we want to move forward, see the robot moves, right? It's really great. It's fun and also a great project to work upon, because likewise you can take your robot in the application. Okay, it's just the beginning. Okay, it's just the beginning. That's it. Okay, likewise you can control the robot velocity. We have used CMD well topic and the HTML file is there. Okay, I am not able to stop myself by playing this particular thing, but anyways we have to stop, right? Okay guys, so this was for today's video. If you want more details, if you want to connect with me, just DM me on Instagram or else on LinkedIn. But this was for today's particular video. We will meet in the next one. Till then, grow, learn and explore together.